Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about a potential for a big crash happening in May and what you guys should be planning ahead in case we do have such a monster crash going forward. Because I believe like the 95 to like 98% of YouTubers, TikTokers, Instagrammers, and Twitter people, they are wrong because they're all saying we're going to the moon in May and this is the bottom and we're just going to bounce back and have a crazy May. I don't really see that happening, but we're going to give it a shot and see what you guys can do if we do break down here, okay? So please make sure to subscribe. We all know that every single time we break down below the 20-month moving average, we have a horrible next couple months. We're breaking down below it now. The last time, horrible time. The time before that, horrible. And the time before that, even worse. So we're used to having these really nasty moves when we break down below the 20-month moving average. And if we pull that back to another level here, let's look at the weekly moving averages here. We just had a death cross right here, right there. 20-week moving average crossing down below the 50-week moving average. And what's happened the last few times that's occurred, right? We've broken down right here, bad move. We've also broken down right here, really bad move. But guys, what can you see right here? We have tapped on the 200 weekly moving average each time we have these major crashes. Tap right there, tap right there. So if we do have a really bad May and we really start tanking, whether that leads into May, June, or maybe even a bad summer, you guys are going to be wanting to buy at the 200 weekly moving average, and that's going to be a great buying opportunity. Even going back all the way back over here, way back in time, we had the death cross right there, and you saw right afterwards, we just started going down until we hit the 200 weekly moving average. This is going to be crucial for you guys that are looking to buy for long-term profits. These are where the millionaires are made, by buying at these very scary levels down here, and then you just wait, and every single paycheck you're adding more and more money into crypto. Right now I'm buying even at these higher levels, but I think we're going to have a larger move down, probably down to the mid-20s over the next few weeks or months, and that's when I'm more inclined to actually buy large amounts of crypto, and that means Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins out there like Matic, ADA, you name it, Luna. I'm buying tons of them, but I'm just waiting for the market to crash because that's my personal opinion that we're going to have a crash. Now, what do we have to, what are we looking for in order to really symbolize a major crash is happening? I think it's going to be right here, looking at the old trend lines from last summer. We held up support pretty well on them. We're hoping that we can break down below this level right here, and that would really start a major downward movement. We have a distance to go yet. Right now we're hovering around $38,500, but if you look at it, how far away are we this from right now? We are about, another 8% down, another 7.5% down for Bitcoin before that happens. So we could easily have a short-term reversal for the next couple weeks, ultimately cooling off just enough to run back into this 20-week moving average just to get rejected, kind of how we're getting rejected by the 20-day moving average so far over the past couple weeks. We tried to break out above both of them, and we're just getting rejected. Same type of movement I expect to be seeing on the 20-week moving average here, unless for some reason there's some really good news about the economy, which I don't foresee happening, and maybe some type of good news that maybe rate hikes aren't going to happen, which I don't see happening. Those are going to be the bullish things that may have caused a really nice reversal. But be honest, guys, do you think the Federal Reserve is going to stop raising interest rates at this level? I don't believe they are. So make sure to subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.